Are coming together.
I've never seen anything
like it. It's just coming together. They're twisting. You can't really see it on the video camera. Sirens are going off. Oh, look up here.
This is nuts. God is sovereign.
Macy's flipping out inside. Can you hear the sirens? Maybe they can hear the sirens. I'm getting rained on.
What does the news say, Linda?
It says there's one right next to the high school right in Halton City.
Oh, great. Okay, we gotta go. Yep. We're going.
It says there.
Okay.
Next to high school is on the Colorado Plaza.
Well, the high school's right here. Okay, we're the dumb ones out here in the rain watching a tornado getting ready to land. Like, seriously, I'm not feeling this. What does it look like? I want to see it.
Right, honey. Okay. I want you to go inside.
I'm not freaking out, Daddy.
No, I don't.
Yeah, but I still want you to go inside. I don't know what can happen, so.
Okay, all the sirens are going off now, babe. Okay, we're out. I'm going inside. Because the ones over there are starting now.
There's 4 of them.
4? By us?
They're not even near us. They're not even near us.
Oh, they're not even near us.
Mom, you should be over there by the...
They really are.
Up towards the Keller area. Please be in that safe area as we speak. This is a dangerous storm that could be facing a tornado
We are.
any moment. We're also seeing a spin up back over in the Aslan.
We're right here.
This part of the
Can you
storm.
see where I'm pointing? Or right
In fact, we had 2 tornadoes.
here. This is where we're at.
In this general form when it was
Right now.
over Parker County. So we might be seeing another spin-up tornado near the Haslet area. This would be along 35W. This area here is consistently seeing touchdowns.
Take this to the grandpa to see that it's not even near us.
It's okay, Macy.
About 40 miles per hour. So we'll be crossing right over DFW. DFW at 816.
Ooh, stupid thing. Vanessa is in her bathtub right now.
Vanessa was like, come out.
She's like, oh no, because there's this rotation out there.
Bouncing around this one.
I don't know.
It's been up and down.
Daddy, she'll say it. Oh, no.
And started in Parker County, now it's in Tarrant County. We are getting a new report
You
here
can't go past fire.
on the ground in Corinth as well in Denton County.
So yeah, there's a tornado right there.
Official report that just came across. Long
Right
hail, very
there, and we are
10 small size hail reports
right here.
up here in the Keller area from the
Right here,
storm.
right here, and right here. We're right here.
Hail detection mode, and it's still indicating the possibility of 10 to 6
There's Keller.
small size hail anywhere from Keller, South Lake, over towards the
They're not here, baby.
very, very large hail. And when we get these winds
There's nothing to be scared of.
We were listening to the wind, and then it was almost pushing me over, and then it went to straight, still, nothing. What?
And there's a Mexican lady that's been standing outside.
Where?
Look, the plane.
I'm going to put this on.
Facebook or
Yeah, YouTube. Oh, they're running inside. Why are they running inside? I don't like watching the neighbors run inside. Does that mean we should be running inside? Oh, man. Oh, man, I'm running now. Oh, no. You guys, we should get in the bathtub. Really.
large hail, there's 19 up here from
Get your daughter.